Forgot your Google account password and locked out of your Samsung phone? In this video, I will show you the easiest 100% working method to bypass the FRP lock on any Samsung device. No PC required. Let's dive in. First, press and hold the home button with 2 fingers to turn on TalkBack. Now, draw an L shape or swipe down and right to open the global context menu. Double tap on text-to-speech settings to open it. Press and hold the home button again to disable TalkBack so you can navigate normally. Tap the back arrow a few times to return to the settings menu. Scroll down and go to the user manual to open the internet browser. Tap the address bar and type exactly frpfile.com/bypass. Scroll down and tap on Google Account Manager 6.apk to download it. Next, tap on Bypass FRP 1.0.apk to download it as well. Once both files are downloaded, go to your downloads history and install both APKs one by one. Open the Bypass FRP app. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and click Browser Sign In. Hit OK, and now log in with any active Google account you remember. After the sign-in is complete, simply hit the back button all the way to the first welcome screen. Proceed with the basic setup. You will now see the Account Added message on your screen. FRP is successfully removed. Welcome to your unlocked home screen.